patients do not want dental implants. Patients want a beautiful, healthy smile. And dental implants are just one way to get them there. My name is Payus Das. I'm the owner and founder of Renew Dental Implants. I've been doing dental implants since 1998, so quite a few decades now. And it's wonderful to learn all the new technologies and keeping up to date with all the tremendous changes in how we have advanced implant dentistry throughout the decades. As the founder of Renew Dental Implants, it is our mission to always be up to date with the newest procedures. That way we can get the best possible outcomes for our patients as quickly and as painlessly as possible. My team and I are passionate about always constantly learning new techniques to help better our patients. And it's not just surgical techniques that we're improving prosthetic techniques, we're improving our cosmetic techniques. Our techniques that we're developing and we've learned allows us to get that patient the smile of their dreams extremely predictably. If you have any questions at all, please contact us at Renew Dental Implants. We'd be happy to sit and chat with you and explore your journey to a new smile and a new life.